Hello everyone, this is Bajit Hussain from Jihadi Coffeeola. Today I will introduce the training institute of barista, the Jihadi Coffeeola. Wow, it's for me from Akash. It's a latte.
Basic latte art.
And we are very happy today because we have a great trainer, Mr. Saiful and Akash and Mr. Dipu. Also, we have a founder of Jihadi Coffeeola, Mr. Jihadi. He is from Malaysia. Welcome to Bangladesh. We are looking his activities. What are he doing right now? He is the making.
Pour over.
What is this?
This is called pour over coffee.
Pour over coffee. This pronunciation is very hard for me, but for Chinese students is maybe. Wow, this is the Chinese student, and everyone look. Many Chinese students are here. All of them are students.
Exactly. All students.
That's a great look. Many students from many districts. Maybe I will touch to identify. Mister, where are you from?
Where are you from?
From Brahmanbaria. Wow, he's my neighbor. He's from Brahmanbaria. Also, I am from Brahmanbaria Shoreline. And another one. Bro, where are you from?
I'm from Lakshmipur.
Lakshmipur. That means Lakshmipur. Noakhalla.
Oh my God, this is Noakhali.
Noakhali is the state of Bangladesh. And everyone,
Why people angry if I call him Noakhali?
I don't know, but I expect the answer from Noakhali.
Maybe once the time you district including Noakhali, right?
Yes, you are different.
Right.
I'm from Bangladesh.
Yes, and another Chinese student is right now still here. Where are you from?
Khukon.
I'm from Faridpur.
Faridpur, very nice.
Wow.
Tomar elaka
That's great.
He's my neighbor.
Everyone, and bro, how are you?
I'm fine.
Where are you from?
Orishal.
Borishal. Wow, it's a very excellent experience. There are many students from many districts. Hi, bro. Where are you from? Where are you from? Kun district? Noakhali, Lokipur.
Certificate
Your real Noakhali, or that's a get from Lokipur and Noakhali, and from Brahmanbaria and Faridpur. Everyone and many students from many districts of Bangladesh they are taking the training. Assalamu alaikum. আপনারা কি ইয়া নিচ্ছেন? আসছেন? Oh, নিয়ে আসছেন. That's a great. Everyone, I am very happy with Jihadi Coffeeola because this is the best training institute to learn new things from this and from Bangladesh. This is my topics is if you want to be a barista, you can drill with a Jihadi Coffeeola. Its location is Mahakhali, Shinebag, beside of Shinebag, and this is the Bapa shopping complex. Still they are doing well to improve the culture of coffee in Bangladesh, and we have Jihadi Coffeeola, so we should know how we can track training from Jihadi Coffeeola. He's quite busy with this instrument. I think any student know everything. Hello, boss.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How can we take training from your training institute?
Is it very simple? Just come and visit, then start. Or you can also contact with our via online. We have the number in your caption.
Yes.
Then someone just if can just call me. Call for training.
Okay. Everyone can start from today.
From any days, from any month.
Okay.
No restriction time.
Thank you very much to giving the opportunity to be a barista in Bangladesh. What? It's just 220.
220
Yes. Everyone, we are very happy from Jihadi Coffee Wala. Come to Jihadi Coffee Wala and be a best barista for world tour.